For opening and closing fixture chain, particularly on chandeliers, several options exist for acquiring the necessary tools. Hardware stores are a primary source. Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace Hardware, and True Value are common retailers that typically stock a variety of tools suitable for this purpose. These stores offer a range of pliers and other hand tools that can be used to manipulate chain links. Online retailers provide another avenue for finding these tools. Amazon, eBay, Wayfair, and Overstock are examples of online marketplaces where a wide selection of tools can be found, often at competitive prices. Searching for chain link pliers or fixture chain tool on these sites will yield numerous results. Lighting fixture suppliers specialize in products related to lighting and often carry tools specifically designed for working with chandeliers and other light fixtures. Chandeliers.com, Rejuvenation Schoolhouse Electric and Supply Company, and Circle Lighting are examples of such suppliers. These retailers may offer more specialized tools or kits tailored to chandelier maintenance and repair. Specialty tool stores cater to professionals and hobbyists who require specialized tools. Granger, MSC Industrial Supply, and Fastenal are examples of industrial supply companies that carry a comprehensive selection of tools, including those suitable for working with chain. These stores often offer high-quality tools designed for heavy use. Specific tool recommendations depend on the size and type of chain links you are working with. Fixture chain link pliers are designed for smaller links and provide a precise grip for opening and closing them. Fixture chain vise grip pliers are suitable for larger links and offer greater leverage for manipulating them. A chain link removal tool is specifically designed for separating chain links without damaging them. When selecting a tool, consider the size and material of the chain links, the frequency with which you will be using the tool, and your budget. A good quality tool will make the task easier and prevent damage to the chandelier chain. To further elaborate on hardware stores as a source, these stores generally have sections dedicated to hand tools. Within that section, look for pliers, cutters, and potentially specialized tools for jewelry making or crafting, as these can sometimes be adapted for working with small chains. Staff members are usually available to assist in locating the appropriate tools and offering advice on their suitability for the task at hand. Regarding online retailers, be sure to read product descriptions carefully and check customer reviews before making a purchase. Pay attention to the size and type of chain links the tool is designed for, as well as the material it is made from. A tool made from hardened steel will generally be more durable than one made from a softer metal. When considering lighting fixture suppliers, keep in mind that they may offer tools specifically designed for chandelier repair and maintenance that are not readily available elsewhere. These tools may be more expensive than those found at hardware stores or online retailers, but they may also be more effective and easier to use. For specialty tool stores, the advantage is the wide selection and high quality of the tools available. These stores often cater to professionals who demand durable and reliable tools. The staff at these stores are typically knowledgeable about tools and can offer expert advice on selecting the right tool for the job. In terms of specific tool recommendations, fixture chain link pliers typically have a narrow jaw with a rounded or curved profile that is designed to fit around the chain links. They are often spring-loaded to make them easier to use. Fixture chain vise grip pliers are similar to regular vise grip pliers, but they have jaws that are shaped to grip chain links securely. They provide greater leverage for opening and closing stubborn links. A chain link removal tool typically consists of a handle with a pointed tip that is used to pry open the chain link. It may also have a built-in cutting edge for removing damaged links. When using any of these tools, it is important to exercise caution to avoid damaging the chain links or injuring yourself. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris, and use a firm grip on the tool to prevent it from slipping. If a chain link is particularly difficult to open or close, avoid applying excessive force, as this could damage the chain. Instead, try using a different tool or lubricating the link with a small amount of oil. Remember to consider the size of the chain when selecting a tool. Smaller chains will require smaller, more delicate tools, while larger chains may require heavier duty tools. Measure the thickness of the chain links to ensure that the tool you select is the appropriate size. The material of the chain is also a factor to consider. Brass, copper, and other soft metals are more easily damaged than steel or iron. When working with soft metals, use tools with smooth jaws to avoid scratching or denting the chain. If you are unsure which tool is best for your needs, consult with a professional at a hardware store, lighting fixture supplier, or specialty tool store. They can provide expert advice and help you select the right tool for the job. In summary, finding a tool to open and close fixture chain for a chandelier involves exploring several retail options. Hardware stores offer general-purpose tools. Online retailers provide a wide selection. Lighting fixture suppliers specialize in chandelier-related tools. Specialty tool stores carry high-quality tools for professionals. Specific tool recommendations include fixture chain link pliers for small links, fixture chain vice grip pliers for larger links, and chain link removal tools for separating links. Careful consideration of the chain size, material, and the tool's features will help ensure a successful outcome.